Fix in 5. Let's decode P0595. Cruise control servo control circuit low, potential electrical or mecha. Causes, symptoms, the fix, and what it costs. Ignore it long enough and it gets expensive opinions about your wallet. First, the symptoms. Cruise control inoperative or disabled, check engine light illuminated, loss of cruise control function, inability to set or maintain cruise speed. Now the most likely causes. Cruise control servo motor malfunction. Wiring harness damage or loose connections to servo circuit. Low voltage supply to cruise control module. Cruise control module failure. Throttle cable or actuator mechanical issue. How to fix it. Repair or replace damaged wiring harness to cruise control servo. Clean and reseat servo motor electrical connectors. Replace cruise control servo motor assembly. Replace cruise control module if electrical check passes. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly €120 minus 350 doing it yourself, or euro 240 to 470 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, will P0595 cause my vehicle to fail an emissions test? Yes, an active P0595 fault code will typically cause your vehicle to fail an emissions or smog test, as it triggers the check engine light and indicates a monitored system failure. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis. Full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at troubleatlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0595. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.